Welcome to the future of vinyl. In this video, we're unveiling the top 3 best turntables of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned vinyl enthusiast or a newbie, these picks will amaze you with their style and features. Let's dive into the music world of 2024. The third spot on our list of the top 3 best turntables of 2024 inches goes to the Sony PS-LX310BT, a turntable that beautifully marries classic vinyl aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. What sets the PS-LX310BT apart is its built-in Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to effortlessly pair it with your wireless speakers or headphones, eliminating the need for cumbersome cables. This means you can enjoy your vinyl collection with unparalleled convenience. Furthermore, its fully automatic operation, including auto start and stop, ensures that your records are treated with the utmost care. The belt drive system provides consistent and smooth playback, preserving the integrity of your vinyl. Sony's reputation for audio quality shines through in this turntable, and the integrated phono preamp guarantees a clean, distortion-free sound. If you're looking for a turntable that seamlessly blends the charm of vinyl with modern technology, the Sony PS-LX310BT is a top choice in 2024. Our second pick is the impressive Fluance RT81 turntable. This turntable embodies the perfect blend of vintage aesthetics and modern performance. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the RT81 features a solid MDF plinth and a stunning walnut finish, making it a centerpiece in any room. What truly sets it apart is its premium Audio-Technica at 95E cartridge and diamond elliptical stylus, delivering exceptional clarity and fidelity to your vinyl records. The belt drive system ensures precise playback, and its adjustable counterweight and anti-skating controls allow you to fine-tune the tracking force. Plus, the built-in Texas Instruments preamp guarantees clean, distortion-free audio, and you have the flexibility to use your own external preamp for further audio refinement. The Fluance RT81 turntable is a remarkable choice for those who seek a harmonious blend of classic charm and high-performance audio in 2024. And now, our number 1 pick for the top 3 best turntables of 2024 is the exceptional Pro-Ject debut Carbon EVO. This turntable is a true masterpiece, representing the pinnacle of vinyl playback in the modern era. The debut Carbon EVO boasts an incredibly lightweight and rigid carbon fiber tone arm, significantly reducing unwanted resonance and delivering remarkable tracking accuracy. Its heavy, acoustically inert platter ensures stable rotation for pristine sound reproduction. Equipped with a factory-fitted Ortophon 2 M-Red cartridge, it produces lush and detailed sound. But what truly sets it apart is the sophisticated electronic speed control, allowing you to switch between 33, 45, and even 78 revolutions per minute with precision. Moreover, the suspended motor design and TPE-damped aluminum feet minimize vibrations, ensuring an ultra-quiet listening experience. This turntable doesn't compromise on style either, with a variety of beautiful high-gloss finishes. The Pro-Ject debut Carbon EVO is the epitome of vinyl perfection in 2024, marrying aesthetics and audiophile-grade performance in an impeccable package. If you're seeking the ultimate vinyl experience, look no further. In this video, we've revealed the top 3 turntables of 2024. Sony for convenience, Fluance for vintage charm, and Pro-Ject for audiophile quality. Whether you're new to vinyl or a seasoned enthusiast, there's something for all music lovers. The vinyl resurgence is in full swing, so keep the music spinning. Thanks for watching and see you next time.